My name's Callum, and this is a review for treestuff.com on the DMM HoodWire Carabiner. This is a wire gate style carabiner, but it has a little wire hood on it, so that stops the gate that's typical to snag on wire gate carabiners from snagging. Just do a little demonstration here. So I've got my PMI rappel gloves, which I'm not overly impressed with, but they do the job. They kind of, the stitching split within about 3 or 4 uses, but kind of minor, and then nothing's gone wrong from here. So this is just a standard wire gate. Taking them off, they snag, and then you fumble around with them. Horrible. Then I get my HoodWire carabiner. They clip on a lot easier than coming off. They just come off fine. So that's really nice of them. So yeah, that's the DMM HoodWire carabiner. It's great for storing your gloves, stuff like that.